Yes.
It's not gonna work, dude. And I want to get rid of this thing too.
Yeah, that's,
I just have a gun.
That's what.
Yeah. They ordered them, but then they ordered them for board.
That's it.
Boom, 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 boom. You know what it is, man. It's your boy OG Product, bringing up the dish and the Garrison News. You know the schlingo, trap, meow, calculator. And for good mo, nigga, schmool as we should. Oh, man, goddamn, things makes go. Talk nice, mama. Anyway, man, we out here fooling for it, don't mind. Pretty sad shit, mind. Blip, bow. Boom, 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 people, trust. Breaking news, beloved, breaking motherfucking news. So if you've been heavy in attendance on social network, then you'll know the boom facts that, you know, the homies that was involved in Pop Smoke death, Pop Smoke demise, they have been clipped. Yes, it's been a clipuation, and what you just pre in the introduction, that's some of the drillers, you know, pretty much on social network, on the last Instagram live, on their way to Cell Block 3. But here is where the story get crazy, beloved. So the 5 people that was detained for Pop Smoke murder, right? You had one 19-year-old who goes by the name of Corey Walker. You had a 21-year-old who goes by the name of Jaquan Murphy. And you also have an 18-year-old who goes by the name of Kendry D, right? And the other 2 young youth is, you know, they juvenile, so they info didn't get leaked to the internet. But here's where things get crazy, beloved. You thought, you know, the people that clipped Pop Smoke was Pop Smoke ops, was Pop Smoke opposition. No. The people that killed Pop Smoke, they was Hoover Crips. And at the end of the day, Pop Smoke is a Crip his damn self. Things that makes you go, not because you a Crip that makes you my brother, not because you a blood makes you my brother. So basically the young youths was jacking ABG. Anybody get it in real life? Things that makes you go, once again, man, R.I.P. to Pop Smoke, rest up, boom in peace, boom easy, B.I.H., boom in heaven, B.I.P., boom in paradise to the fallen soldier. Baby, baby! This is what OG Product, man. Y'all know the schlingo, fool. Y'all know the Schweppes. Never for don't mind. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey, young Swish, roll up.
I need to burn. This that old school John right chill, mine. This that, you know, I'm talking about that little Kiati, that little Baba Trash, Bomba Clot, Zimmy, Mad Magena, real talks, real crocodiles, Zimmy, up top. Give me 2 per, I need 2 per. Catch me stepping in my new Jordans, what? Catch me stepping in my new Jordans. Give me 2 per, I need 2 per. Catch me stepping in my new Jordans, what? Catch me stepping in my new Jordans. You know what's on my feet. Once we hit the streets, pockets never empty, pocket always deep. If you the op, one day we gonna meet. If you the drop, we can never speak. If you a crocodile, then we gonna eat. But you can rest in peace, fucking with my breed. We don't follow trends, we don't follow them. Catch me in my Jordans, post up on your ends. The ops saying outside, we spin back again. We spin back, we spin back, we spin back again.